Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi SQ8 Vorsprung. The car's got the matrix LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs, with the adaptive cruise control with 360 park sensors with 360 park cameras. 22-inch Audi Sport multi-spoke design alloy wheels. High gloss black surrounds on the exterior windows with the privacy glass for the B-pillar backwards. With the full electronic power tailgate with a quad chrome exhaust. Now this is a brand new Audi vehicle, so you will get the 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance from the manufacturer. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car's got the carbon inlays with the electronic memory seats. Bang & Olufsen sound system with the Super Sport front seats which are perforated with the S&Boss logo. Automatic headlights and wipers with a flat bottom perforated leather steering wheel with cruise control. Dual haptic display feedback screens with 4-zone digital climate control with front heated seats, with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic gearbox with a full glass panoramic sunroof. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi SQ8, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.